for the Rio Grande Columbia Bridge. At 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 7.8 feet, 2.4 meters. Flood stage is 18.0 feet, 5.5 meters. Bankful stage is 16.0 feet, 4.9 meters. Caution stage is 10.0 feet, 3.0 meters. Forecast: the river will rise above caution stage this afternoon with multiple crests through the weekend between 12.5 feet, 3.8 meters and 13.0 feet, 4.0 meters due to upstream releases. For the Rio Grande Laredo, at 8 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 2.8 feet, 0.9 meters. Flood stage is 8.0 feet, 2.4 meters. Bankful stage is 7.0 feet, 2.1 meters. Caution stage is 7.0 feet, 2.1 meters. Forecast: the river is expected to reach caution stage around 7.0 feet, 2.1 meters late Thursday night, then fall below action stage Friday morning. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local TV and radio stations, or cable TV outlets for the latest weather information, as additional rainfall could affect crest forecasts.